Hello everyone, welcome back to social class. In this class we will learn about Dayanand Saraswati and Savitri Bai Phule. Dayanand Saraswati was born on 12th February 1824 in Tankara, Gujarat. His real name was Mool Shankar. He started questioning life and death concept at a very young age. Later, when he was asked to get married, as per the traditions of the society, he ran away from the house at the age of 21 and wandered all over India for 20 years, like temples and many worshipping places. He met yogis in mountains and forests. When he met Swami Virajananda, he gave him the responsibility to spread Vedic knowledge. Dayanand Saraswati started following Swami Virajananda and gained the knowledge of Vedas and opened schools, Anglo-Vedic schools in India, which provided both English and Vedic education. He started Arya Samaj, which was the Hindu reform movement. It was started by Dayanand Saraswati in Bombay in the year 1875. The main purpose of Arya Samaj was to remove false beliefs and discrimination away from the Hindu religion. To believe in one God, to stop idol worship, to avoid ignorance and to spread Vedas, which gives them true knowledge. To stop being selfish, to promote equality, to stop polygamy and child marriages, to stop caste system, to stop sacrificing of animals in the name of God. These were the aims of Arya Samaj. During 19th century, due to caste system, there was lack of unity among Hindu people and many Hindus were converted to the other religion. They were not allowed to join back the Hindu religion. Because of Shuddhi movement started by Dayanand Saraswati, Hindu people started living together again. Dayanand Saraswati has given a remarkable contributions to society in educating people and reducing caste system, false beliefs, etc. He got the title Luther of India, the maker of modern India. His slogan, "Go back to Vedas," was very popular. He died in the year 1883 in a place called Ajmer, Rajasthan. If you can read today, you owe her. But do you know her? She is Savitri Bai Phule. She is the first female teacher of India. Let nobody forget Savitri Bai Jyoti Rao Phule. She was born in Naigun, Maharashtra in the year 1831. She was married at the age of 9 to Jyoti Rao Phule, who was just 13 years old. That time, lower caste people and women were not allowed to study. Jyoti Rao Phule and Savitri Bai Phule, they set up the schools for women in India. Several schools were set up for Dalits and women focusing on science, social and math. She started Mahila Seva Mandal, where women of all caste and class and other religions were welcomed for learning purpose. She fought for the prohibition of child marriage. They both started Satyashodak Samaj, which believes in intercaste marriage and equality. She was suffering from plague and died in the year 1897. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.